Guys, I'm back. So here you go. I already baked my leche flan last night. So as all of you guys know exactly what how to cook leche flan, but this one I'm gonna make a twist. I make a strawberry toppings for my leche flan. So I reduce all the sugar and I reduce the sugar. I mean this one is 1:1. You know, the condensed milk and evaporated milk. So just as is, and I use 10 egg yolks for this, and zest lime. I'm using these two, and this strawberry toppings. I'm using lemon juice, and I reduce the sugar because of this the condensed milk because it's sweet. So and I just cook the strawberry. So what I'm gonna do, you just have to put it on the top. I'll cook it strawberry toppings. Okay, so I'll see you later. Bye. See ya.